god, I'm so excited. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we are going to be unboxing the, what's this month? January Boxycharm. That is right, you guys. This is the very first box of 2019 of the brand new year, so I'm very, very excited. If you do not know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription service that's like $21 a month, and they give you a bunch of awesome makeup, skincare, kind of stuff like that, but they're all like full-size products. They're all really, really good products. You don't have any kind of like cheap sample sizes or anything like that. It's actually bomb. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. If you'd like to see what is in this month's box, then keep on watching. So quick little side note before we actually get into it. I have literally no affiliation with Boxycharm whatsoever. I just pay for these. That sounded weird. I pay for these with my own money every single month, and they do not send these to me for free or anything like that as of right now. I just love the actual box, and I think Boxycharm is a really, really good subscription box for the money. It's 21 bucks a month. It's amazing. I'm rambling. Let's get into it. So I have already cut the seam here, and I do pretty much know what is in this box. I do believe. So let me actually take that back. I know two things that are in this box. The other two or three things I'm not entirely sure because there was a few kind of like variations. So opening this up here, I will let you have the first little sneak peek. Oh, well, that didn't help. Here we go. So here it is. I actually can't see it at all. So yeah, I'm excited. So actually, let me pull this out. Oh, this is cute. So this month's theme is boxy and chill. That's actually adorable, and I need to not look at that because that shows the pricing of everything on here. So, oh, okay. So like I said, I do see the two things in here, but the other three things I lied. This one thing I did know that was an option, but these other two things I did not know were options. So I'm excited. First thing, let me go ahead and pull this out. Let's go ahead. This one right here. So this is an option. You had the Bite Beauty, the Ofra and Kathleen light collabs, and then the Smith & Colt, I do believe, lipsticks. And this is the one that we got. It's the Bite Beauty. I've wanted to try Bite Beauty in the past. I watched a video from Sophia Nygaard where she went to the Bite Beauty like lab in New York, and I was just like, whoa, that's so freaking cool. So ever since then, I've wanted to try some of their lipstick, and I just haven't yet. This is the Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick. So really cute. I love the little lips on here. The packaging is kind of like, I don't really know, cardboard, but it's like a gray. Here's the actual component here. Not component, but like packaging. And then I got it in the shade Spritzer. I don't know what that is, but it says it's 93% natural, which is really cool. Ooh, that's nice. So it comes in this little bullet just like this. And then I think it has, yeah, it has Bite right on the side here, and it has like this little divot. Really nice, clean packaging. And then, oh, it's purple. Oh my gosh. I'm kind of excited about this. So I've never actually used a Bite lipstick before. I think these are actual lipsticks, and they're not like matte or anything like that. They're straight up lipstick. So let me actually go ahead and swatch this. Wow. That's really pretty, and that literally glided on so smooth. I don't know where I'm gonna wear this shade, but you know, I'm excited to even try it out. Lord knows I'll wear it. I wear a bunch of weird lip colors anyways. That one right here is the, I'm trying to like cover up all the rest of them or just look at the one directly. The Bite Beauty, oh, this lipstick is $26. Wow. And then it is a full-size product, obviously. Next up in the box we have this here, and I actually had no idea this was an option, but I've heard so many good things about this product. This is by Briogeo. If you've not heard of them, they are a really good hair care line. I believe this is like Tati's, one of her favorite hair care lines, so that's great. And this is the Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. Like, I have heard about this exact thing from so many people, so I'm so excited to have this. I've never had any kind of Briogeo thing before. My mom did use their shampoo and conditioner for a while, and she said she liked it a lot, so I'm excited. It has a little squirty tube. It's a leave-in hair mask, so I wonder how you squirt it. It says that it is formulated without sulfates, silicones, and parabens. That's amazing. I love that. And it's cruelty-free, dope. Let me see how much this was worth without spoiling myself. This is $16, and I do believe this may be kind of like a, this is 2 ounces. I'm not entirely sure if the full size of this, how much is in it, but I think this may kind of be kind of like a deluxe sample, if you will, but it is very big. It's 2 full ounces of product, so that's really nice. Next up, we have this little guy right here, and I actually have no clue what this is. It is by the brand Chela. It is a tantalizing taupe eyebrow cream. Interesting. Oh, okay, so it's got a little brush on the end here. A little brush, and then, oh god. I'm so confused. So this looks, is it like pomade? Look at that. Inside there, can you see that? It looks like pomade. So are you supposed to take the brush and like... Oh wow, that actually comes off really easily. Look at that. You can't see that. Don't mind over here. I had a fight with eyeliner and lost. So, oh, that actually comes out really nicely. I don't know about this color. I'll have to try it on my eyes and see, but I thought it was going to be a lot harder to get out. Interesting. I've never even heard of this brand before. I'm excited to try it. It is the Chela Taupe Eyebrow Cream. This is $26. Wow. For this thing right here, $26. Super excited. I'm excited to try it. And you guys, we are down to the last 2 things, and I'm so excited about both of these. Alright, so the first one here is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Sizzle Eyeshadow Palette. And look at this beautiful packaging. I'm loving it. It's so pretty. And then I believe I know which one I got. I think they had different variations of the ones that you could get. Yes! I got the one that I wanted the most. I'm so excited. This right here is what the front looks like. And it's this really gorgeous like coral, pink, blue crystals. And then when you, oh god, I can't open it. Oh yes, oh my gosh. I was so excited when I like saw this one. I knew these 2 things were coming in here. So this is what the colors look like. As you guys know, I love like reds and like burnt colors on the lid. I don't know why, but these are so pretty. They're kind of like it's brown, red. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. It looks like there's 3 matte shades. 1, 2, 3 mattes, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shimmers. Oh my gosh, and there's a nice mirror in here. I've never tried a Tarte eyeshadow before. I've used so many other Tarte things, but I've never tried one of their eyeshadows. Actually, that's a lie. I have. I used their Pro Remix palette. I forgot about that. I haven't used one of these. So the Pro Remix palette I liked a lot. I thought it worked really well. So I'm super excited to try this one out too. Oh, I'm so excited. And that does, oh god, don't drop it. That does retail for $36, this palette right here. And then last but certainly not least, we have these 2 Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. Oh my god. If you don't know, I love Tatcha skincare. I use their Luminous Dewy Skin Mist every day underneath my makeup to kind of like make everything dewy and kind of refresh because my skin is so dry. I love face masks for one, and there's 2 of them in here. I am so excited. When I saw this was going to be in the box, I almost crapped my pants. That may be a little bit too dramatic, Kenzie, but you know. What can I say? I'm super excited about these. They're literally skin masks. So these 2 retail for $24. Nourish the skin from within using this lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. I'm so excited. I do believe Tatcha is Japanese skincare. Yes, so a scientifically perfected trio of fermented Japanese anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, and algae instantly restores skin's health and radiance. So yes, Tatcha is Japanese skincare. I feel like I already knew that. I just wanted to say it anyways. I don't know why. But guys, I'm so excited about this. else. But yes, you guys, that is the January Boxycharm box. I really hope that you did enjoy this video. Leave a comment down below telling me what you got in your box if you get the subscription, or if you don't get it, tell me what your favorite thing that you saw me pull out of this month's box was in the comments. But yes, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and leave this video here. If you did like it, then go ahead and click up that like button for me and subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye!